Hello friend, today we'll dive into the essential tips and techniques for strategies for overcoming adversity and achieving personal growth. Practice positivity. How does a person overcome adversity? Through mindset work and practice. Often, it is more about the way they frame the things that happen to them than the actual things that happen. Take a step back and reframe the problem in a positive way. Catch any negative self-talk and replace it with empowering beliefs that help you work toward your goal rather than undermine it. The more you shift yourself toward a positive mindset, the more equipped you will be to overcome adversity. Stay disciplined. When tough times hit, it can feel like your life is out of control. Stop yourself from spiraling out of control by establishing strong rituals to be used as a tool for overcoming adversity. When you create and actively practice positive habits like priming, meditation, and daily exercise, you're preparing your mind and body for adversity. Though it may be hard, sticking to a daily routine through good times and bad will bring order and empowerment to your life. It will make you feel more grounded in your ability to overcome adversity and achieve your goals. Find the lesson. Realizing that life happens for you, not to you, is key to overcoming adversity. Every event in your life can teach you something. Those who are able to find the lessons will succeed. Those who blame their circumstances on others will fail. Take responsibility for what has happened to you and how you reacted to the situation. Evaluate what happened and why. Come up with a plan or establish a process to prevent it from happening in the future. Then move on. Dwelling on your mistakes and failures only takes time away from achieving your goals. When it comes to mistakes, as Steve Jobs said, it's best to admit them quickly and get on with improving your other innovations. Learn from others. To answer the question, how do people overcome adversity? Go straight to the source. Think of the people you know who you admire. Ask them how they got there. Hear their stories. Listen to their examples of overcoming adversity. In addition to learning from real-life examples, read the biographies of people who have achieved what you want in life. From Oprah Winfrey to Bill Gates, there's no shortage of examples of overcoming adversity. Need a quick pick-me-up? Find inspirational quotes to post on your mirror or fridge. Proactively feed your mind the same way you feed your body and you'll change your entire state. Elevate your peer group. Surround yourself with people who also want to grow. Success stories can help you learn how to overcome adversity, but all the research in the world won't help if you're surrounding yourself with people who aren't growing the way you are. As Tony says, the quality of a person's life is most often a direct reflection of the expectations of their peer group. You are who you hang out with. If you want to bounce back from challenges, live optimistically, and stay focused, you need to surround yourself with people who support you and are actively working on doing the same in their own lives. Stay away from people who will hold you back. In this video, you've seen overcoming adversity requires a combination of mindset, discipline, self-reflection, skill development, learning from others, surrounding yourself with a positive peer group, and seeking the guidance of a coach. Remember that adversity is an opportunity for growth and learning, and with the right mindset and support system, you can emerge stronger and more resilient. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.